Are you coming back into my arms to love me again? I love you, I miss you, I need you now, more than ever, more than words can say. I love you and I miss you, I need you more today. It's how you used to say I love you and I miss you.